Alright, thanks for popping in. I'm going to start this video off with a quick view of extracting the AC pump from the bottom side, as well as installing it so you can get back at it. I won't show in-depth component removal or assembly, but I do recommend bending this pinch weld here, so you have more clearance between the K-member and the radiator support.
Plug that, set that aside, remove this bracket here, remove that plug.
Alright, so I had a bad camera angle. Be sure to disconnect the main AC compressor plug here, right here.
You take this off, put it down like that. Now I will show you how to do this. Taking 10mm bolt out. Take the bracket off if you can. This bolt hole and this flange, make that parallel to your brace here. That's how you're going to get this through. So when you're sitting here, rotate it so that's parallel. You have it upright, come down and rotate for that hole. Keep rotating, kind of rotate, and then you got to rotate back like that. It's that hole, that little notch out. Kick your wires up there first thing.
This clip is a great view of when I was practicing reinstalling this pump. It shows here the hole or notch, as I put it, is a great opening for this leg to go through. So if you can pay attention to that, it'll go a little bit smoother.
Grab your bracket, install it.
Alright, there you go. Thanks for watching. I do know it was a very short, uninformative video on exact details, but for the amount of time I had, it was the best I could do. So hopefully you got enough clearance between your K-member and your subframe, but if not, remember to try to tweak or bend or manipulate that pinch weld so you got more clearance. Hope your install goes good. Thanks for watching.